This is the filter cup. It has two values, 80 microfarad and 50 microfarad, the red and green. Since I don't have 80 microfarad, I will change this one to 100 microfarad and the green 47 microfarad. And the voltage is 150. Since I don't have 150, I'm going to use this one. It has 400 volts. And the other one, for the 47, 250 volts. Make sure, if you recap, don't go below 150 volts. And the wax capacitors, these are the wax capacitors. I'm going to change this one to a mylar capacitor. And the voltage, I'm going to use 630 volts. And by the way, I have a problem here. This is a busted 33 ohms resistor. As you can see, it has a crack and this is burnt. I'm going to replace the same value, the same wattage. Already finished recapping, guys, and sorry if I did not share how I replace the capacitors. Just to shorten this video, and I will give you some hint. In replacing capacitor, make sure you know the pin connection of each capacitors. And don't pull out all the capacitors and change right away all the capacitors. Don't do like that. Instead, pull out, then replace, pull out, then replace. And I'm using here a Mylar capacitor, 630 volts. And the filter cap, I'm using here 400 volts, 100 microfarad. This is for 80 microfarad, 150 volts. And for the 50 microfarad, 150 volts, I'm using 250 volts, 47 microfarad. And the resistor, I replaced the same value, 33 ohms, 2 watts. And now, let's test this one. I will connect the turntable and the speaker. And by the way, on this part here, I replaced this single stranded wire with a shielded wire to avoid humming. So this is now the inside part of the unit, and these are the tubes. So I'm going to plug this one and let's hit the tubes. So I'm going to turn this on. Let's wait at least 15 seconds to 1 minute to heat the tubes. So there, the tube. This one is the preamp tube, and the part here is the output tube and the rectifier tube. Now I'm going to turn on the volume and check this one. This is the input part.
She just needs someone. To be with you where I wanna give you